All my life, people have taught me lessons by coming to me. Even now, when a visitor comes to me, he educates me. I've learned a valuable lesson. A fascinating and unusual lesson. The lesson I've learned is to think of Allah as the great, rather than Allah as small. And instead of asking Allah for small and fewer things, ask Him for bigger and better things. If He does not provide you, be patient. If He gives you something, don't be arrogant. If you acquire it, don't be arrogant. If you do not receive it, do not be concerned. Do not ask Allah for tiny favors, or pray to Him for small favors. Supplicate Allah for extraordinary things. So, what will one gain from this? The advantage that one receives. Now you're going to claim that if this is the benefit of doing it, we'll do the same after today. The benefit is that Allah, the Supreme and Exalted, says things at times. The fact that your utensils are small, your age, your remaining lifespan is quite limited. For you, I must create a magnificent heaven. The universal system is small. You keep quiet and wait. The person inquires a master, what should I do? Allah says that keep on asking and supplicating. Then I will give its reward to your generations and generations to come. Why? In Allah's court, your act of asking and supplicating will not be in vain. Invoke Allah, the pure and the sublime, according to His majesty. Subhanallahi, wa bihamdihi, adada khalqihi, wa rida nafsihi, wa zinata arshihi, wa midada kalimatihi. This person who recites this is worshipping Allah according to His glory. We are afraid, even while supplicating. We don't know if we'll get it, or not. Do not know if it will happen, or not. We are hesitant to ask, so we fearfully raise our hand for supplication, and then cease after a brief period of supplicating. You have little hands. Your utensil is small. Your begging bowl is small. Your beg pouch is quite little. Yes, it is you who has a small begging pouch. The Lord's conferral and bestowment is not limited. If you want to leave a legacy of outstanding wealth to future generations, then don't beg Allah for anything less.